It's currently 2 something in the morning and I just now finished my hair. And I still gotta get in the shower. But this is the end results. Good night. Although I don't have my mic hooked up, I thought, why not do a little unboxing, because I just received some hair in the mail, and guess what? It's an Amazon vendor. So I thought to show you guys exactly what the hair came like. I did open it up, but I want to like show y'all how it was packaged. So this is Cynosure hair. Once again, I do have a review on my channel from this hair company. I'll link that down below. But it was actually their Brazilian body wave. So this is their Brazilian straight hair. This is the package it came in. And as you can see, it says Cynosure hair. I do like this package. I think it's very pretty. And not to mention, I love pink. So what comes in the package is a pamphlet. This is what the pamphlet looks like. So yeah, it basically tells you to go on their page and rate them. Then it also tells you the type of hair that they do provide and how to care for the hair as well. Also, I received 2 pairs of lashes. So I got this pair. And then I also received this pair. So yes, 2 pairs of lashes. And although these are like those powder lashes that no one actually wears, I think they look pretty good to be like synthetic vibes, synthetic fibers. So what I ordered was 3 bundles of 22 inches, and I ordered a 14-inch frontal. Yes, a 14-inch frontal. So this is what the hair comes in, the packaging for the hair, and it does tell you the length and what type of hair that you ordered. So it does say straight hair here. So this is the frontal. I'm gonna show you guys what the frontal looks like really quickly, because I am about to bleach these knots and make this wig. So this is what the frontal is looking like. As you can see, they somewhat have it pre-plucked, but I am going to go in and pluck it some more. The frontal also has baby hairs on it, but just like in the middle. So the knots are not bleached, as I stated. I am going to go in and bleach the knots. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And it does look pretty good. It's very full, and it does need some work on it. So this is my 22-inch, and as I stated, I did want 3 bundles of 22-inch, but as I look at the package, it looks like they sent me 2 22 inches and a 20-inch, and I did inbox them to let them know that, hey, you guys got my lengths wrong, because I wanted 3 22s. So hopefully letting me know about that, what they could do. But as you can see, the bundles are pretty full. As usual, they do come with these little tags on them, and this is the wefts. So yeah, the hair looks pretty good. It doesn't have a smell at all. Yeah, it doesn't have a smell, and this hair does come pretty dark. Like, usually the hair is a little lighter than this, but it does come pretty dark. So here is all my 3 bundles together, and it's pretty long. This looks like it's actually longer than 22 inches. But as I stated, one of the bundles is a 20 inch. So this is what your 20 inch. Let me see. This is 20 inch that they mistakenly sent to me. But as you can see, as the bundles get shorter, they do get thicker. So yeah. So that's pretty much all for this video, guys. I just want to come on, do like an unboxing, show you guys what the hair does come look like, what are my initial thoughts before I decide to make my wig. Yeah, I will come and do like more videos like this. Also, I'll be sure to have an initial review and then an updated review as well. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. If you have any suggestions on what you would like me to film, because I do have a haul coming up pretty soon from Fashion Nova and also Ross. But if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it down below. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to wake, pray, and select the day. And don't forget Paristaughtyu. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Toodles.